Have you ever seen something so amazing you just couldn't stop thinking about it? That's what happened when we saw the Stairway to Heaven. It's legal to climb up the stairs and you can get a huge fine if they catch you. But nobody said you couldn't go up the backside. With this in mind, we embarked on what would end up being one of the toughest hikes we ever made. Would it all be worth it in the end? Keep watching and you will find out.
So we are ready to embark on our journey to the Stairway to Heaven, and we got everything packed here in our rental car. We are ready to go.
Yeah.
This is going to be one hell of a hike. So we're closing in on where we're starting the hike, and do you think that's the Stairway to Heaven, Agnes? Over there with the big clouds?
Yeah, it might be.
Yeah, that's usually how it is when we go for hikes. Hopefully not, but yeah, we'll see. So now we are here at the start of a long, approximately 7 or 8 hour hike that is apparently very dangerous. But we don't care, we'll do it anyway, because we're adventurers.
Adventure! I'm going on an adventure! What is he doing?
So this hike is not for fat people. Oh, there, yeah, you can take that. If you want to go there, sure. If you want to take the official way, you better be slim.
Left or right? We take left.
So I think this declares the end of the normal road and the beginning of the difficult part.
Yeah, we're coming from here.
Yeah.
And now
we're going straight out into the jungle. Well, follow us. This is gonna be fun.
And here we were supposed to go to the left. We walked the wrong way, so we had to go back again and take left.
So now it's just going up and up and up, no more flat parts. Still feels very safe. I'm certain we have not arrived at the difficult part yet though, so we are prepared. But yeah, all uphill from here.
So now we have been walking for like 1.5 hours. We're sweating. We met one person going back this way, so at least we know it's but he said it was 2 hours left.
So it looks like we're going up this way, like wham, 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 wham. Let's go. So if you're gonna do this hike, definitely bring snacks. Otherwise you're not gonna make it. Okay, so for this part right here, we're gonna put the camera down because it's just not worth the risk not being able to use both your hands. This is literally a vertical wall of slippery rocks, and we want to make it to the top without broken bones. So we'll see you guys up there. Sometimes you're just so focused on walking forwards that you forget about looking backwards. And holy shit, what a view.
And here, by this opening, is your last left turn.
so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Baby, while we're young, young, oh, baby, while we're young, oh.
Impressive.
So now comes the most important part of this entire trip, and that is getting a thumbnail shot, which is literally the most important thing of an entire video, and the title. So yeah.
How about this?
Nah.
I'm so cool right now. No.
No.
No?
That ain't making it to the thumbnail, I'm sorry.
This is a great view. Like, I really like the other side and this side too, but I really actually enjoyed the hike here.
Yeah.
Like that's like a part of the stairs.
Yeah, I would say the backside is even more beautiful than this. So right now we're on our way down the stairs because we want to see the view from this side. We're not gonna go all the way for obvious reasons, but let's see how the view looks from over here. So here we are on the top of Stairway to Heaven. We made it all the way up and the view is just incredibly amazing.
And it's just as incredible on the other side. Like the way up here was much better on the other side than the regular stairs.
Yeah, I would recommend the legal backside out of two reasons. Reason number one, it is legal, and reason number two, the views are just incredible.
Yeah.
I mean,
you will enjoy the hike just as much as the actual
I would
stairs.
say the back stairs definitely more dangerous. If it's raining or if it's muddy, I would say that it's probably insanely dangerous to do that one. So in any bad weather, I would recommend these stairs, except for the legal reasons. This was probably the best hike we've ever done.
Yeah, we have taken a lot of hikes.
Yeah.
Like we have taken a lot of hikes. Look at that mountain view right there.
Yeah, it's not much that beats that. I'm just waiting for the flying dinosaurs to come by. So we hope you guys enjoyed our journey up here to the Stairway to Heaven, all the way up into the sky. And
the sun is coming out too, so this will be amazing.
And now all we gotta do
is go back. We brought lunch over here, as you saw, so we are very happy we did, because it's a long walk here and you want energy to go back.
We will see you guys
in the next video.